To open the Pages panel, visit the Home menu and click Pages. This is where you create the structure of your site by adding and arranging pages. Use this panel to add new pages, move pages around your navigation, check page settings, and delete pages. The Pages panel is organized into different sections: primary or main navigation, and not linked. Pages in Not Linked don't appear in your site's navigation. Visitors can access these pages by way of direct URLs. You will see a house icon appear next to the page currently set as your home page, and you can change which page is your home page by visiting the Settings menu of any page. Also, to change the style of your navigation menus, such as fonts, colors, and spacing, use Site Styles. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.